Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the WWE 2K25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the target within the WWE 2K25 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game and then choose any of your desired character and matchup type to start your desired match. Once your match has begun, by default you are given one opponent, which you will automatically target while the match begins. If there are multiple superstars in your match, then if you wish to target someone else instead of your original target, then you can simply press the right analog button until you hear a click, and this will change your target within your match right away. You can see the target indicator letting you know who your player is targeting. If you're playing with a keyboard, then in this case you can simply change your target by pressing the C button on your keyboard. You can also view your current target by pressing the V button, and this will show you who your current target is. Now, if you have matches with multiple opponents, then any opponent attacking you will automatically be targeted as your current target. And no matter if you are targeting someone else, if your attack is in the vicinity of another opponent, then you will target them automatically. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your target on the WWE 2K25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.